Here we come to the elevators at the Moore School of Music at University of Houston, Texas. Before we ride, look at the scripture right here. Look at that. I love that scripture. It's shaped like a piano. This is cool. Anyways, we're gonna ride the elevator. I don't know what kind this is, but it's got PTL call station.
Yeah, it just worked. I don't really know how, but it did.
There's class going on, so that's why I kept my voices down. And here it is. Is this what I'm actually thinking? This is not something I'm thinking, right? It's a Schindler. Schindler MT. Wow. I didn't even recognize this as a Schindler MT. I can barely see that Schindler logo text on the door track. Another one. Look at this. I've never seen a Schindler floor indicator like that before. It's not every day you see a floor indicator like that instead of a regular Schindler indicator. This is an interesting elevator, I will say. Your MT fixtures, you got your phone. All right, now off to this elevator across from us, which I believe is the service elevator. So there goes that one. I just missed the door closing. Let's ride this one. I believe this one's a Schindler as well, just like the passenger elevator. I'm sorry to not have my Schindler magnetic clip with me because I was unaware. I totally forgot that these were Schindler elevators. And it looks like it's being used right now. And here it is. Look how slow that door is. Beep. 3. The door is so slow. Whoa! Okay, that scared me. I didn't realize that the elevator started with a big jolt. I'm sorry about that. Okay, this freight elevator just kind of startled me. I apologize for hollering, you guys. This thing just kind of scared me a little. I somehow did not expect it. I didn't expect that elevator to start up so roughly like that. I wonder why it stopped at 2 for some reason. I'm going to take it for one more ride so I can hear the motor because... Oh, is it gonna go? And it just had to go in nudge mode. Wow, this elevator's kind of weird. Anyway, still got that same floor indicator. And it's got a Schindler chime, whereas on the passenger one's got an Epco chime. And back down to 1 and there. Door closer and push the button. I love that. We're stopping at 2 again. Why does this thing keep stopping on 2 all the time? So I think.
It's pretty hard.
Oh, look at this. It's got your regular Schindler MT button. Look at that. The down button is hard to press. This thing is kind of messed up. It keeps stopping on 2 every single time. I don't understand why. This thing needs a little bit of work. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.